Hey, what's up everyone? It's Raina! So you've jumped headfirst into the world of affiliate marketing. You've spent hours researching, you've found the perfect niche, and you've even signed up for an affiliate program that speaks to your soul. You're feeling pretty good. Until you realize you have 0 followers and a marketing budget that's closer to 0 than you'd like to admit. It's like that feeling you get when you buy your dream car, but then you realize you don't actually know how to drive. Don't worry, I've been there. When I first started, I thought I needed a massive following and thousands of dollars to even think about making money with affiliate marketing. But let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to crush it with affiliate marketing, even if you're starting with absolutely no followers and a budget that makes your wallet cry. We're diving deep into the strategies that actually matter, the ones that helped me go from 0 to multiple 5-figure months with affiliate marketing. So, grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's turn those affiliate links into a steady stream of passive income. Alright, let's talk strategy. When it comes to growing your online presence, especially if you're just starting out, having a solid strategy is crucial. You can't just throw content out there and hope it sticks. You need a plan. The first thing you need to understand is that not all platforms are created equal, especially when you're starting from scratch. Each platform has its own unique audience and algorithm, which means what works on one might not work on another. If you're focusing on platforms where organic reach is basically non-existent, you're going to have a really hard time getting your affiliate links in front of anyone who actually cares. It's like shouting into a void. Think about it. Would you rather spend hours crafting the perfect Instagram post, only to have it seen by, 5 of your closest friends? Or would you rather put in that same effort on a platform where your content has the potential to reach thousands, even millions of people who are actually interested in what you have to say? Or would you rather put in that same effort on a platform where your content has the potential to reach thousands, even millions of people who are actually interested in what you have to say? The choice seems pretty clear, right? Yeah, I thought so. That's why, in the beginning, you need to focus your energy on platforms where organic reach is still alive and well. This is where you can make the most impact with the least amount of effort. That's why, in the beginning, you need to focus your energy on platforms where organic reach is still alive and well. These platforms give you the best chance to grow your audience quickly and effectively. And right now, 2 platforms are absolutely crushing it in the organic reach game: YouTube Shorts and Pinterest. These platforms are designed to help you get your content in front of as many eyes as possible. Let's start with YouTube Shorts. These bite-sized videos are like the cool kids on the block right now. They're quick, engaging, and perfect for capturing attention in a short amount of time. These bite-sized videos are like the cool kids on the block right now. Everyone's watching them, and they're perfect for capturing attention quickly. Plus, they're fun to make. YouTube's algorithm is actively pushing out shorts to a massive audience, which means even if you have 0 subscribers, your content has a real shot at going viral and reaching hundreds, thousands, even millions of potential customers. This is a game changer for anyone looking to grow their online presence. And then we have Pinterest. This isn't just a digital vision board, people. It's a visual search engine. People come here to find inspiration, ideas, and yes, products. It's a visual search engine. And guess what? People are using Pinterest to actively search for products and solutions, which means if you can get your affiliate links in front of them at the right time, you're golden. And guess what? People are using Pinterest to actively search for products and solutions, which means if you can get your affiliate links in front of them at the right time, you're golden. This is a huge opportunity for anyone looking to drive traffic and sales. Here's the best part. Both of these platforms are completely free to use. You don't need to spend a dime to start seeing results. You don't need any fancy equipment, just your smartphone and a bit of creativity. You don't need to be a video editing wizard. Just some basic skills will do. And you definitely don't need a huge following to start seeing results. With the right strategy and a bit of effort, you can start growing your audience and driving traffic to your affiliate links in no time. Okay, so you've picked your platforms, now it's time to create some epic content. But before you even think about hitting that record button or whipping up a graphic, there's one question you need to ask yourself. Would I actually watch or read this? Look, nobody wants to be bombarded with salesy pitches all day long. People can smell a desperate affiliate link from a mile away, and it's not cute. Instead of trying to shove your affiliate products down people's throats, focus on creating content that provides actual value. Think about your target audience. What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? What are they actively searching for online? Once you understand their needs, You can start creating content that addresses those needs in a genuine and helpful way. Let's say you're promoting a course on sustainable living. Instead of just posting your affiliate link with a generic caption like "Buy this course," create a series of YouTube shorts with actionable tips on reducing your carbon footprint. Or you could create a Pinterest board with beautiful infographics on eco-friendly home decor. The key here is to focus on providing value first and foremost. When people find your content helpful, they'll be much more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So be that person. Chapter 3. SEO Secrets. How to get found without a single follower. Alright, let's talk about the secret sauce of affiliate marketing, SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is the art and science of getting your content to rank higher in search engine results, making it more visible to people who are looking for information online. This is how you get your content seen by the right people, even if you don't have a massive following. It's like having a megaphone that amplifies your voice to reach a wider audience. Think of SEO like a giant treasure map. The internet is a vast ocean, and your content is the hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. You need to bury your treasure, your awesome content, in the right spot, and then you need to leave clues, keywords, so that people can find it. These keywords act as signposts guiding users to your content. When someone types a question or a phrase into Google or YouTube, the search engine uses those keywords to try to find the most relevant and helpful content. It's like a digital matchmaker connecting users with the information they need. If you've done your SEO right, your content will show up at the top of the search results. And boom, you've got yourself a steady stream of free, organic traffic. This traffic is highly valuable because it's composed of people actively searching for what you offer. So, how do you actually optimize your content for search engines? It's not just about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about creating valuable, relevant content that answers the questions your audience is asking. It's all about understanding what your target audience is searching for, and then using those keywords strategically in your content. This involves doing thorough keyword research to find out what terms and phrases are most popular. Let's say you're promoting a language learning app. You need to think about what potential users might be searching for. Instead of creating a YouTube short titled "Learn Spanish Fast," which is super generic and competitive, try something more specific like 5 easy Spanish phrases for travel beginners. This makes your content more likely to stand out. See the difference? The more specific title targets a niche audience, making it easier to rank higher in search results. By using long-tail keywords, those longer, more specific phrases that people are actually searching for, you'll have a much easier time ranking your content and attracting the right audience. These keywords often have less competition and can drive more targeted traffic to your site. And the best part? Once you've optimized your content, it can continue to attract visitors long after you've published it. SEO is a long-term game. It's not about instant results, but about building a sustainable source of traffic over time. Once you create high-quality, optimized content, it can continue to drive traffic and generate affiliate sales for months, even years to come. This makes SEO an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to grow their online presence without relying on a large following. Chapter 4. Repurposing Power. Squeeze every last drop of value from your content. Okay, here's a little secret that most affiliate marketers don't want you to know. You don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you create a new piece of content. In fact, one of the best ways to maximize your reach and get more eyes on your affiliate links is to repurpose your existing content across multiple platforms. Think of it like this. You've spent all this time and energy creating an amazing piece of content. A YouTube video, a blog post, an infographic, whatever. Why would you limit its potential by only sharing it in one place? Instead, think about how you can repurpose that content for other platforms. For example, let's say you create a killer YouTube short about the benefits of meditation. You could easily turn that video into a blog post, a series of Instagram stories, a carousel post on LinkedIn, or even a Pinterest infographic. The key here is to adapt the content for each platform. What works well on YouTube might not translate perfectly to Instagram, so don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different formats. By repurposing your content, you're not only saving yourself time and energy, but you're also increasing the chances that your target audience will actually see it. And the more people who see your content, the higher the chance they'll click on your affiliate links. Planning ahead can make this process even smoother. Create a content calendar to map out how you'll repurpose each piece of content. Use scheduling tools to automate the posting process, ensuring your content goes live at the optimal times for each platform. Don't forget to check your analytics regularly. This will help you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to tweak your strategy for even better results. By being strategic and thoughtful about repurposing, you can truly squeeze every last drop of value from your content, making your efforts go further and achieving greater success. Outro from zero to affiliate hero, your journey starts today. And there you have it, the real secret to crushing it with affiliate marketing, even if you're starting with 0 followers and 0 budget. Remember, it's all about choosing the right platforms, creating valuable content, optimizing for search engines, and repurposing your content like a boss. Now, I know it can seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, it gets easier with practice. The most important thing is to just start. Don't wait until you have the perfect website or thousands of followers. Just start creating and sharing valuable content today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks, and leave a comment below letting me know what you're most excited to implement.